To get started, carefully unpack the items in the box. The kit includes a hardware box, canvas, and frame. Carefully unpack each item and familiarize yourself with the pieces. The kit contains all of the parts you need to assemble and mount the Bimini top. Add the single arm to the frame as shown. Tighten the screw using the screwdriver provided in the hardware kit. Do not over-tighten. Remove the canvas from the bag and lay it open on a clean, dry surface. Lay out the sides of the frame and the crossbars. Slide the crossbars into the sleeves of the Bimini canvas. Insert the ends of the crossbars into the side of the frame. Measure to confirm the mounting point on your boat and the width of the Bimini frame. Attach the mounting swivel to the end of the frame. Clean and mask off the area where you will be working. Position the frame in the mounting area. Open the frame and confirm the positioning and the coverage are correct. Mark the mounting points of the swivels. Drill pilot holes for the screws. Countersink the holes to keep the fiberglass from splintering. And remove the masking tape. It is advisable to apply silicone to the holes to ensure a watertight fit. Mount the swivels using the supplied stainless steel fasteners. Repeat the steps above to mount the eye-strap loops. Secure the loop end of the web strap to the Bimini frame and attach the strap to the eye-strap loop using the clip on the strap. Repeat for all straps. Now you're ready to adjust the straps and tighten the Bimini canvas. You can adjust the tightness and position of the canvas using the straps. To close the Bimini top, release the front straps and fold rearward. Fold the canvas toward the frame. Use the storage boot to hold the canvas securely in place and out of the weather. With proper use and care, your Eevelle Bimini top will provide years of trouble-free use.